Big data. Unlocking insights from massive information. Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets that traditional data processing tools cannot handle efficiently. These datasets come from various sources, such as social media, mobile devices, sensors, transactions, and digital platforms. The core idea behind big data is not just about having vast amounts of information, but about extracting valuable insights from that data to support decision-making, improve operations, and drive innovation. Big data is commonly described by the 5 V's. Volume. The sheer amount of data generated every second is enormous. Organizations collect terabytes and petabytes of data from different channels. Velocity. Data is generated and processed at unprecedented speeds, requiring real-time or near real-time analysis. Variety. Data comes in various formats, structured like databases, semi-structured like XML, and unstructured like videos, images, emails, or social media posts. Veracity. The accuracy and trustworthiness of data can vary, which requires validation and cleaning before analysis. Value. The ultimate goal of big data is to uncover meaningful insights that offer business or societal value. Why big data matters. Big data has transformed how organizations operate across industries. In healthcare, it helps predict disease outbreaks and personalize treatments. In finance, it detects fraud and manages risk. Retail companies use big data to understand customer behavior and optimize marketing strategies. Governments use it for smart city planning and improving public services. The real power of big data lies in advanced analytics, such as descriptive analytics, what happened? Diagnostic analytics, why did it happen? Predictive analytics, what is likely to happen? Prescriptive analytics, what action should be taken? Technologies like Hadoop, Spark, NoSQL databases, machine learning, and cloud computing are commonly used to store, process, and analyze big data efficiently. These tools allow businesses to scale their operations, process large volumes of data quickly, and gain actionable insights without needing traditional hardware investments. Challenges of big data. Despite its benefits, big data presents challenges such as data privacy and security risks, complexity in storage and processing, skill shortages in data science and engineering, ensuring data quality and governance. To overcome these challenges, organizations must build robust data strategies, invest in the right technologies, and develop skilled teams to manage and analyze data effectively.